Today, Lip Monthly and Lipstick Junkie are going head to head in another battle of the beauty boxes. Stay tuned to see what came in each of them and decide which one you think is this month's winner. Hello, welcome to Subscriptions Galore. My name is Kristen and I unbox all things subscriptions for men's, women's, kids, pets, you name it, I unbox it. And if I haven't, I probably will be soon. Yet again, we have Lip Monthly and Lipstick Junkie. These are the packages they came in. Lip Monthly is in pretty pink. Lipstick Junkie is in a bright yellow looking gold. Glittery, sunshiny, kind of New Year's coloring. Beautiful. And, surprise, surprise, they sent me two. So, I emailed them. And I was like, I got two boxes. What's going on? And they responded super quick. Of course, my email wasn't like that at all. But I asked them why I got two boxes. They said it must have been a mistake, that I could keep the other box. So the items in the second box are going to be going into my giveaway boxes, and once we reach 100 subscribers and start with that first giveaway, then I'll do giveaways on a regular basis. So I am collecting items for you guys to give to you guys. So if you enjoy these videos, click on the subscribe button, and once we reach 100 subscribers, I'm going to try to do a giveaway on a regular basis. So the rules of the battle. First of all, they have to be beauty related. It can't be a battle of beauty boxes if they're not a beauty box. Secondly, I would like to keep them within a $5 range of each other because it wouldn't be fair to compare two hugely different price points. And yeah, so to vote on your favorite one, click on the little I button up above. I will have a poll. You can click on Lipstick Junkie or Lip Monthly, or you can comment down below and let me know which one was your favorite. Last month was a close call, but the winner of last month was Lip Monthly. So let me know down below which one you think is your favorite for this month. And after the video, you can check down below to see which one my favorite was. And last month, my favorite was Lip Monthly. We'll see what this month is. Who knows? It depends on what comes in these boxes. So first, we'll open up Lip Monthly. Once again, this one came to me first, and I've been waiting on Lipstick Junkie to come, and they just arrived. So we'll do Lip Monthly first, and then Lipstick Junkie. Oh, and if I didn't tell you, we are going to be voting for 3 months. So this is month number 2. You have 1 more month. The winner of all 3 months will continue on to 3 more months, and they will compete against a new subscription company or a new beauty box. First up, we have Lip Monthly, and they came with a card. Now this is December's. In December, we unboxed November's because they sent this out to me the last day of the month. I think they sent out maybe December 30th, December 31st, something like that. So I got it in January, and it took almost a week to get to me. The theme of this bag is walking in a winter wonderland. It says, as we shift into the Christmas season, the little elves at Lip Monthly have been busy curating an amazing December bag. This month we've included an amazing lineup of products from some of our favorite brands. They do not give prices on their cards, so I will look them up and let you know after the video what the prices were, and we will do a side-by-side comparison between the two boxes, which doesn't really influence my opinion, but I always like to do price comparison anyhow. This first lipstick we have is from the brand Hikari. And this is in Cabernet, and then it says Jessie underneath. So I'm not sure if it's like Cabernet Jessie or the type of lipstick's Cabernet and the color's Jessie. I don't know. Just a simple shiny black tube. Ooh, that's pretty. Very pretty. I have a lot of similar lipsticks to this, but I enjoy this color, so I do wear them frequently. And that is a swatch of it. Next from Sorme is an all-day smooch-proof lip stain. And that is what the box looks like. Let's see. It is in the color Venom. If it's this shade, that's pretty. It's like a mauve type of a color, and I love mauve, but I don't have any lipsticks that color. That is not the color mauve. That is like a very brownish color. And it says it's long-lasting, high-definition. What does high-definition lip stain look like? Because I don't know. And it's this one here. Definitely more of a brown color, not the mauve type color I was looking, or I was thinking it was. And it has like a felt tip. It's kind of flat angled on the one side and then rounded on the other. So it looks like you could get a nice crisp line with it. That's nice. I actually like lip stains because they tend to dry down and feel like you're not wearing anything, but then they last for a long time. So I prefer them over liquid lips because as they fade, they kind of fade more evenly, whereas liquid lips, you can definitely see like a line where it wears off. At least most liquid lips you can. So I prefer stains over liquid lips. Just personal preference. Next from Cargo Cosmetics, Swimmables Long Wear Eyeshadow Stick. Okay, I thought this was Lip Monthly with lip products. This is an eyeshadow stick, not a lip product. Ooh, that's kind of pretty though. Let's see what color it is. It's in Morro Bay. It is like a purplish bronze color. I won't be swatching that because that is really, can you see? That's dark, and I don't wear too many dark eyeshadows because they tend to make my eyes, I don't know, like I always look like I get punched in the eye or something unless I just wear it on the edge, and I would not wear this very often. So I will throw it on into my giveaway box. But come on now. Lip Monthly. Lip products. This is not a lip product. I think they get points, mental points, subtracted for this. Lastly in here is a lip liner. Just making sure it wasn't an eyeliner. So it is from Evio Beauty, and the color on it is that color there. A pale pink color. Ooh, and that crayon tip looks even more pale pink than what the photographs. It's like a pale pinkish color. Focus. Let's try it. I'm sure it'll go with a lot of lipsticks. So it is that third one right there. It's looking very kind of brown in the viewfinder, but in reality it's just pink. The three lip products in this one I would definitely use. The eye product, and you're getting not so good votes from me on that one, but we'll see what Lipstick Junkie gives, because who knows. And so since I got two boxes, we'll open them up, compare them, see if they're both the same, see if they're different. You never know. I don't know if they do different types of products or if they all just do the same product in the same boxes. But aren't their boxes cute? It says Happy New Year's on the front and little sunglasses on it with fireworks all over it. It's super cute. Last month's with the reindeer, I actually ended up using that as a Christmas gift box, and it was so cute. Like the reindeer, it was just adorable. So their product card says Happy New Year. Out with the old, in with the new. May you be happy the whole year through. Happy New Year, everybody. We've got new products, new brands, and hot new looks we're excited to share with everyone this year. Here's to new beginnings. And they do have the retail value. So I pulled this one out first because this is Fully Fire, and it's the same brand as the gray that I have on right now. It's Matte Manipulation is their formula, and let me tell you, I love this gray formula. It's creamy, but it's matte. It like kind of feels kind of powdery at the same time. It's really weird. But the gray is patchy, so, you know, I could do without the patchiness. So I'm probably not going to wear the gray very often or ever again. So it being patchy isn't going to make it or break it for me. But if you do wear colors, if you do like this color, just be aware it is patchy. So let's see. Ooh, okay. It's in the shade Kimono. And let's see. So it's by the brand Folly Fire. I keep saying Fully Fire because the way it's printed on there in cursive, to me it looks like the O isn't closed at the top. So I keep saying Fully Fire, but it's Folly Fire. Anyhow, it's by the brand Folly Fire. The shade is Kimono, and it is $15. I like their bullets. They're like a matte black with their flame logo on the top, and they're angled. They're very pretty. I like how the bullets are. It is purple. Alright, so let's try it on the hand. Whoo! It is patchy. I did go over it quite a few times, but look at that. Very purple. It's got like pink undertones, so where it's really light, like on the edges, you can see it's got like a pinkish look to it. So it has a very kind of pinkish purpley kind of look, but definitely like a bright lavender type of a color. Next up, by Phase Zero, we have in the shade Wine and Dine, is a matte liquid lipstick. This one retails for $26.50. Ooh, okay. Not the color I was thinking it was going to be. It's a lot more like a pinky, peachy color than I was thinking. When I was thinking Wine and Dine, I was thinking like a deep purpley red type of a color. It's got a nice doe foot applicator. Okay, it's like a corally type of a color. Definitely not the color I was thinking it was going to be. We have one more item in this box. Ooh-wee. This is gorgeous. Look at that. It looks like it has like a little hole on top. So it looks like if you hung a string on it, it could be a Christmas ornament. Like, doesn't that look like a Christmas ornament? It's got fancy design all at the top and it's tapered, or it could be a weapon. Like, I mean, it could be scary, but it is pretty. So this is by the brand Illuminati. It's Liquid Luxe Liquid Luxe Lip Gloss. Okay. And this one retails for $21. This is in the shade Theory. Because, you know, Illuminati, theories, that sort of thing. Ooh, pretty pink. But it's like a sheer type of a pink. But man, the glitter You can have glitter on your lips for days. I don't know how well it's going to show it, but there's like pink and gold and blues and purples in there. Like, it's gorgeous, and my camera's not showing it, but that is very pretty. So that's everything in this lipstick junkie box. Let's open up our second box and see. It is heavier, so I'm thinking that there's something different in here. I don't know if all the products are different or just one of them, but something's different in here. Ooh, there's a bonus item. Ooh, it's heavy. Maybe that's why. Okay, so there's the same Folly Fire in the shade Kimono. Then we have the Phase Zero in Wine and Dine, and also Illuminati in, what was it, Theory. So it has the same 3 lipsticks, but there is a bonus one. So I don't know how the bonuses go, if they are supposed to put a bonus in every box, or if they just put bonus items in random boxes. I don't know. This is the heaviest lipstick I have ever felt. Like, it compared to the Folly Fire box, this one feels like it's twice as heavy. So let's see what it is. This is a matte luxe lipstick from Memi Makeup. If I would look at the side, it says, I think it's Memi, I'm gonna say Memi. Matte liquid lipstick in the shade Old Flame. Ooh, looks bright red. Ooh, okay. It is shiny and it is silver. Okay, do you see this? There's no lines. The lipstick is there. How do we get it out? Do you see that? It pops out like a clicky pen. Oh, that's so cool. Ooh, look at that. That is a bright, bright red. That is gorgeous. That's like a fire engine flaming red, which is why it'd be called Old Flame. All in all, I do think I'm going to choose Lipstick Junkie this month just because it had all lipstick products. They were bright, they were bold, they were fun. This glitter one, like, I haven't worn this type of glittery gloss since I was probably a long time. But, yeah, it's beautiful if you like glittery glosses. The coral color, it has dried down to even like a lighter pink. I don't know what it's going to look like on my lips, but it does look like a very fun color. And the purple, I love purple, and it would look fantastic if I dyed my hair again. The blues or the purples that I've done in the past. I'm debating on it. I'm not gonna lie. I miss having brightly colored hair. And I'm thinking about coloring it blue. Not sure if I am or not. Let me know in the comments down below or up in the I button above which one is your favorite box, and let me know why. I am interested to see which box you pick and the reasons why, because I think it's fun to, everyone has different choices and likes different things. So I want to see what your vote is and why that is. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!